In this lesson, you modify the spelling settings and the custom dictionaries for REVIT architecture. To modify spelling settings, click the menu browser and select Options. In the Options dialog, click the Spelling tab. Under Settings, select Ignore words in uppercase. Under Additional Dictionaries, Personal Dictionary contains words added during spell check. Click the Edit button. The custom dictionary opens in your default text editor. In the text editor, enter SHEET MTL-CU and press Enter. Pressing Enter adds a blank line as the last entry in the dictionary. The custom dictionary and building industry dictionaries must end with a blank line, a line with no text. Click File and Save, and then File and Exit. Under Building Industry Dictionary, click Edit. In the text editor, scroll down the list of building industry terms. Then click the File menu and Exit. In the Options dialog, click OK. Now click the menu browser and select New. In the New Project dialog, click OK to open a new project using the default template. Then click the Annotate tab, and from the Text panel, select Text. Then click in the drawing area and enter "This is SHEET MTL-CU" and caps SHT MTL-CU. Then click Modify. Then from the Annotate tab text panel, select Spelling. Notice that the spell checker allowed SHEET MTL-CU because you added it to the custom dictionary. It also allowed caps SHT MTL-CU because you set the spelling options to ignore words in uppercase. Click the menu browser and select Options. In the Options dialog, click the Spelling tab. Under Settings, click the Restore Defaults button. This command resets the spelling settings to their original configuration. Under Personal Dictionary, click Edit. In the text editor, delete your entry. Then select File Save and File Exit. In the Options dialog, click OK. Then close the file without saving it. As that concludes this lesson.